Alright guys, so today we're going to talk about the difference between a leveling kit and a lift kit. Most vehicles from factory come with a certain amount of rake, and rake is just simply when the rear end sits higher than the front end. The main reason of rake is to counter the weight of heavy loads. However, when the bed is empty, it creates a look that many people find unattractive. So a leveling kit is a simple, easy, cost-effective solution to this, where it just raises the front end up and you get a level truck that looks good and clean. Lift kits typically involve replacing more components on your vehicle. So rather than just putting some simple lift spacers and leveling your truck, you actually have to sometimes change your shocks, struts, leaf springs, even coil springs, your A-arms, anything like that. Sometimes it even requires drive shafts to be changed, steering components, or longer brake lines. Skyjacker lift kits also tend to level vehicles. However, there may be a little bit of rake that's barely noticeable just for hauling heavy loads. Replacing these components on your vehicle often tends to more suspension articulation, better ground clearance, and the ability to run bigger tires. This in all creates a vehicle that is more off-road capable. We often get asked, should I use a leveling kit or a lift kit? However, that is simply just up to user preference. The main question that we will ask a customer is what size tire they want to run. And depending on your tire size that you want to run and the height that you want your vehicle, it should be an easy choice for you to personally decide. Thank you guys for watching. Please stay tuned for more. Please go check out our YouTube channel, our Instagram, and our Facebook accounts. Give us a follow, a like, and a subscribe. Thank you guys.